he was a stunner this year actually. We didn't expect a person from Goa to come and perform in this level. It was stunning to everybody. And we first when we saw him on Sprint Bangalore when he competed, we thought this person is having good potential in driving. When we won the first place in Sprint Bangalore, what we did it as a curtain raiser event, promoters curtain raiser.
Right.
And after that, he competed in Chennai, and the competition was around 54 competitors actually in Chennai, and in his category he had around 20 competitors who were seasoned drivers, very seasoned competition, and he emerged to be the first place. And from the start, the first stage itself, he took the lead. Okay, he's a very aggressive, and his car control is very good. I saw him on the stage, very good car control, what he has, and he maintains the pace. And the best thing is he saves the car. He doesn't have even one scratch on the car until all the season is there. Wow. He knows how to save the car. That kind of people should be encouraged, and that kind of people should be supported. So next year, as you are told, if the government supports him, as promoters, we will also support him. Give him a chance. We shall give him a chance in INRC on where Gaurav Gill, Karnagadur, Amitrajit Ghosh, Palgunaras, and all are participating now. He is not less than them. Okay, everybody should put their blood and win on Gaurav and Vaibhav also.
Vaibhav has represented Goa very well, and the MRF is pretty happy to support him in his venture in motorsports, and it's a great pleasure that he won the INRC championship this year.
And going forward, can we look for MRF's continual backing for Vaibhav Marathe?
Yes, as it is MRF policy, we do support good drivers, and Vaibhav has proven himself, so why not? We will be looking at continuing to support for us the coming year.
This is very proud moment for me to become a national champion. This is like my dream come true. I like to thanks who supported me for this rally. MRF Tyre, team champion, Sports Authority of Goa. I'm very happy to win this championship against best driver of India.